Hello internet, hope you guys are doing well. So if you follow my channel, you would have seen the previous video was about second service of Himalayan 450, and I spoke about the process. I spoke about how much I have to pay for that. So now it's been almost 10 days and I have decided to change the engine oil for this bike, which has run 5,300 kilometers oddly. So it's time for me to now change the engine oil. So that's where I'm going for Motul 710010W40 fully synthetic engine oil. I hope it will reduce the engine heat and it will make the gear shifting, or I don't know if it is just a fluke. So let's go get it changed and find out. Alright, so I have reached here, the service center. Let me go and talk to them first. Let me park the bike here. भैया कॉल किया था मैंने इसका इंजन ऑयल चेंज करवाने के लिए. So I've reached the shop and this is the bike. So they already have couple of bikes lined up, so they will take some time. They said 10-15 minutes I have to wait and then they will start changing the engine oil. This is what the oil looks like at 5,000 kilometers and after a top up. Now you can imagine the condition that will happen at 10,000 kilometers if we change it at this duration. I don't know what camera is saying, but it's pitch black. If you're watching this video till now, I believe you have liked the video. If that is the case, I will request you to like this video and share it with your friends, and if possible, if it does not take a lot from you, please subscribe to the channel. These things motivate us to do better. Alright, so riding back home after engine oil change. To be honest, till now I did not feel a significant difference, but maybe it's too early to call that. However, the gear changing, I'll say it's a bit smoother than when I went to the shop initially for the engine oil change. Apart from that, if you see the temperature is still on the higher side. I was expecting it to be on the first two bars, but it's still on the third bar. So the question still remains, is it is worth changing the engine oil or to fully synthetic, or it's still a fluke? I will get to know by riding this bike longer, but initial impression, I'm still neutral. It's too early to call it is worthy or not worthy. We have to wait and see. So the total amount that I paid is 2,365. That includes 1,900 for the engine oil and rest charges for labor and others. So that's all for this blog today, and if you have any comment for me, put it in the comment sections, and trust me, I reply to all of them. That's all. See you in the next blog. Till then, bye bye.